Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck. It's a 1951 Chevy 3100. As you can see, it's been modified just a little bit. Got the owner here is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Maurice?
Doing great.
Look at the truck, bro.
Yeah.
3-inch chop, right?
Yes, it is.
Cool. A lot of body work done. I like how the roll pan's done in the back. Sitting beautifully. It's 350, 5.7 under the hood?
350, yes, 5.7.
Okay. Power steering, power brakes, Rack-N-Pinion. Those are Weld Halibrand style wheels it's sitting on. I like how they mounted the tail lights and the fenders. Real nice, clean look. It's all steel?
Yes.
The fenders, the boards, everything?
Everything's steel, yes.
Okay. Man, I love how they did this chop. Such a beautiful job. Custom headlights with the dots. Disc brakes up front.
Yes.
Disc in the rear or drum in the rear?
No, drum.
Okay. Custom tonneau cover. Bed's all finished too. Custom sides. Love this roll pan, man. That's cool. Paint looks pretty fresh.
Yes.
How old is the paint?
So about a year and a half old.
About a year and a half, huh? Beautiful. Let's check out under the hood.
Let's do it.
She is. 350, power steering, power brakes. Got a Holly 600 under there.
Yes.
Chrome valve covers, electronic ignition. Batteries mounted in the bed.
Yes.
Okay. Flex fan. Fire it up. Nice and mild. Reliable, right?
Yes, it is.
What kind of exhaust do you have, Maurice?
It's just a regular floor master.
Flowmaster.
Yes.
Dual exhaust with cast.
Yeah.
Yeah, cast motor manifolds. Brand new tires. Those wheels look killer on there too. So wheel. It's at about 3,200 miles on the build.
Yeah.
Custom stereo. Custom seats. This door is locked. Yeah, nice truck. Yeah, let's check it out the hood. That's enough. Oh, there's the battery. I like how you match the sides to the interior. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. And Maurice, thanks again for showing us your truck.
No problem.
Gorgeous.
Yes.